Hey guys, the snow has melted. It is spring. It's time to start thinking about what we're going to look at next up in my collection of treasures. I'm thinking we're going to take a look at this 1950 Buick two-door special. The model number is a 46D. It's a little on the rough side. Bluetooth rocker panels. And the floor is pretty punky from what I remember. But I think it's got some potential. The engine's relatively complete. Carburetor's missing, but I managed to pick up a couple of carburetors. What do you figure? The other option is the 65 Beaumont Convertible. I don't know whether this is going to be savable or not. It's pretty rough. I don't think if it was just a two-door coupe that I would consider trying to save this, but with it being a rag top, it might be worth something. The other one to consider playing with is this 1950 Nash Statesman. This one would be easy to get running, I think. The engine is not seized, or at least it wasn't seized when I checked it last summer. But the problem with this is that it is a Nash, and it's what they call an independent. So parts are going to be a little bit more of a challenge to come up with. And it's a unibody car, and the unibody frame is bad. Still, you know, it's not sunk in the middle or anything. I think it would be something we could probably fix up. I've fixed a unibody on a Nash before. It's not that difficult. Might be worth taking a look at. Let me know your thoughts down below. Which of these three do you want to see me go after? Thanks for watching.